Building a payment tracker from scratch is a massive headache. You've got formulas, formatting, and data validation. It takes hours. But what if I told you you could build a professional grade automated system in Google Sheets using exactly 2 prompts? I'm using Google Gemini to do 99% of the heavy lifting. No manual coding, no complex functions, just 2 specific instructions that turn a blank page into a business-ready tool. In this video, I'm showing you those exact 2 prompts so you can stop building and start tracking. Let's dive in. So I have a blank Google Sheet open, and what I'm going to do is go up here to the Ask Gemini icon, and here I'm going to enter in this prompt. Write a formula to calculate the number of months it'll take to pay off a $5,000 debt at 18% interest with a $300 monthly payment. Click on submit, and it's giving me this little formula here, and it's saying it'll take me like 19.3 months to pay off this debt. And so from there, I'm going to enter in this prompt. Create a table to track the debt payoff progress with columns for month, starting balance, interest paid, principal paid, and ending balance. I'm gonna hit submit it, and it generated this table that shows all the payments, the interest paid, principal paid, ending balance, the cumulative interest, and it put it in my spreadsheet. Well, actually, it's not necessarily in my spreadsheet. This is kind of like a preview view. If I want it in my spreadsheet, I hit this insert, and now it's in my spreadsheet. And Gemini created this payment tracker in my Google spreadsheet in just a couple of seconds using those 2 prompts that I showed you. Now the algorithm thinks you would enjoy this video next.